guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be about glasses. Okay, it's about this brand TIJN Eyewear on Instagram. They actually reached out to me here on YouTube. They found my page and then sent me an email. If you don't know, I got my business email always linked down below on my description box, and I got them on my bio, which is about, if you want to know anything about me, I always got my business email down there, so in case you want to reach me for a collab, or if you want to collaborate, because that's how they reached out to me, that's how they found me. So they sent me an email asking if I wanted to collaborate with them, if I wanted to collab with them, because they just recently launched their newly amazing eyewear, of course. And this is not a prescribed glasses. The one I got, the one that reached out to me about, is a fashionable glasses. Okay, transparent glasses. You can wear them at night, of course. Those are the kind of glasses you wear at night too. Wear it anytime, any day, anytime, any season at all. So I am so excited to be a part of this launch. Okay, it is a beautiful launch, and this is what I just got in the mail and decided to share this with you guys. So let's go ahead and unbox these bad boys. Okay, y'all know I'm a sucker of white. White is my favorite color actually. So okay, it's this way. It's written TIJN, story of your eyes, story of your eyes, of course, story of your eyes, story of your eyes. That's what it is, story of your eyes. So let's go ahead. So I got sent two different types of glasses. So these were the ones that I actually went online on their website and chose, and they had it sent to me, and they expedited the shipping, of course. They expedited the shipping, and they had it sent to me in no time, of course. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. I'm so excited, like y'all can tell. Ooh, this is cute. It's cute. I love it. Love the packaging. So when you open it, this is what you see. See what the inside looks like. Okay, what they got here is just my other information. TIJN. Okay, so let's see what else is inside here. Is this? It's written story of your eyes, show your inspiration in daily life with TIJN Eyewear. Okay, to get tag, you can hashtag when you buy the product. You can use their hashtag, which is TIJN Eyewear, to get $15 off. That's a good one on Instagram actually. So yeah, it's so pretty. I love it. This is what I mean. Sky is dark now because the stars are trapped in your eyes. Yeah, that's cute. Okay. And oh my god, I love this gray packaging, and it's velvety, and it's crescent T. Okay, look at that. That's pretty. It's pretty. I love this, and it's so small, so sleek. It's something you can slip into your handbag, and it has eyeglasses cleaner. It's crested story of your eyes on it. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, the packaging, I give 5 star. Okay, I give it 5 star. Okay, so let's open and then bring out this bad boys. Let's see. So this is how it's wrapped. Oh my god, this is so pretty, guys. Let me zoom this. Let me zoom it in for you guys to see how cute. Like, it's so pretty. Oh wow, I'm in love with this. I'm in love with this. Like, don't you guys love this? I actually got this because I have a dress I'm gonna wear with it. Ooh, I'm excited. Like, who even wouldn't be excited? Like, this is so pretty. It's clear, so you can wear it anytime, any day, be it at night, be it the daytime, in the morning. If you're not gonna do makeup, wear makeup, you can just throw this on and go about your day. You don't have to spend 1 hour, 2 hours to apply makeup like I always do. Sometimes I just throw on my hair and off I go my way with my glasses, and this came at the right time. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna be rocking this fall and winter season. Fall and winter season. Oh my god, this is so pretty, so cute. I love it, I love it, I love it. Like old hardware, it's so tiny and pretty, and I love the turquoise color. Like, of course, that's why I chose it, because like I said earlier, I got a dress I want to kill with this glasses. Okay, the tortoise is brown. This is the glasses you can rock literally with anything. I can rock it with this outfit. Like, okay, it's so lightweighted. I hate glasses that are heavy. This is so light. It felt like, it didn't even feel like I was actually wearing something. It felt like I didn't have anything on my face, to be to be sincere. Okay. Alright guys, so let's get into the next one. Okay, the next one I'm gonna show you guys is, I know it's gonna be cute, I know I'm gonna love it. That's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this and reveal the glasses. Okay, so this is what the next one looks like, and oh my god, I am so in love with this one. So what I did is I went ahead and just, I think this one is a little bit dusty, so I'm gonna have to clean this. Let's utilize this cleaner and see how it works too. Okay, let's put on these bad boys and see what they look like. Okay, all right, this is so pretty, guys. I love this. I think this is about to be my favorite. Okay, this is cute. This is me. All right, so yeah, I love this. It's pretty. I love that it has a black hardware, like black handle. Like it can literally just go with anything at all. And it this is a tortoise style too, but this is a different color of tortoise. This has a little bit of pink in it, and it's clear. Like I said, y'all, they deal on mostly clear kind of glasses. They do prescription too. They do fashionable glasses, and what I went for is fashionable, and it's so cute. This is so pretty, guys. It's pretty. I love it. I love this one. Can't wait to rock it out. I'm wearing this tomorrow out because, like, I love it. It's pretty. It's girly. It's fancy. So I love these glasses. So feel free to check them out on Instagram and go to their website to shop. Like I said, you get 15% off when you tag them on Instagram. Hashtag TIJN Eyewear on Instagram to get your 15% after ordering. It's so cute. Or before ordering, I don't know how it works, but I'm sure it's written here. It's written here hashtag TIJN Eyewear to get 15% off. So yeah, that's what it is. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, give this video a thumbs up if you love it, and if you thank you so much TIJN Eyewear for sending me these glasses, and I'm so in love with them. I'm totally in love. I love the packaging, love everything about these glasses. I love it. I'm gonna be rocking them this fall and summer season. It's a transparent glasses. That's why I fell in love with it, and yeah, I know you too guys are gonna fall in love with this. So feel free to go to their website or go to Instagram if you're on Instagram at TIJN Eyewear, and then yeah, shop and then get your 15% off when you tag them. Hashtag TIJN Eyewear on Instagram to get your 15% off. Okay, I'm gonna leave a link to their website, or I'm gonna leave just their Instagram name or handle down below on the description box, so you guys can go shop and have fun while shopping. Why not? This is their newly launched, so hurry before it gets sold out, okay? And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for new videos, new weekly videos twice a week or thereabout. Okay, I'm gonna be giving y'all back-to-back videos, okay? So stay tuned, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the don't forget to turn on the bell button beside the subscribe button so you know when next I upload a video. So if you're new, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you love it, and then don't forget to share this video with your friends, your families, your loved ones. Just share this video, okay? And see you guys in my next one. Bye.
I think back to all the better days when I used to be young and free. I remember her like it was yesterday. She was so beautiful to me. In my mind sometimes